Hello students. In our last class we discussed about the preparation of acids and we have seen different methods. Today we'll discuss about, say for example, physical state. Some acids are solid and some are liquids. The acids which are given boric acid, oxalic acid, tartaric acid, citric acid and phosphoric acid, they are generally solid acids. Whereas acetic acid, formic acid, carbonic acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid and sulfuric acid, they are all liquids. Now, what are the effects of acid on the skin? Generally, all mineral acids have corrosive action on the skin. That means they have got harmful effect and cause painful burns. Concentrated sulfuric acid stains the skin black. Concentrated nitric acid makes it yellow. And concentrated HCl gives amber color to the skin. Whereas, organic acids do not have corrosive action. Now, there is a term called indicators. We have to understand what does it mean. Indicators are complex substances that changes its color in acidic and basic medium. Okay, say for example, the example of indicators are litmus. It can be either blue or red, methyl orange, phenolphthalein. For acidic solution, if you have got a blue litmus solution, it will turn into red. For methyl orange indicator, if you add to acidic medium, it will change from orange to pink, and phenolphthalein solution in acidic medium remains colorless. Now we are going to see the chemical properties or chemical reactions of acids. Say for example, first is reaction with active metals. That means what will happen when the acids react with active metals. Say for example, this is the general equation as we know, active metal plus acid giving you salt and hydrogen. So for example, if you take magnesium acid as dilute HCl, then it is going to form a salt. Salt will be formed by magnesium and chlorine, MgCl2 plus hydrogen. Similarly, zinc plus HCl will give you zinc chloride plus hydrogen. So this is the reaction of active metal with acid. Similarly, reaction 2 is reaction with bases, which is generally called neutralization reaction. So when an acid reacts with a base, salt and water are produced. Say for example, when sodium hydroxide reacts with nitric acid, it is going to form a salt, sodium nitrate and water. Whereas, now what is the action of acids on salt? Say for example, calcium carbonate. If you react calcium carbonate with HCl, it is going to form, this is the general equation, carbonate or bicarbonate plus acid will give you salt, water and carbon dioxide. So it is going to form calcium chloride, water and carbon dioxide. Similarly with the bicarbonate as well. Next, if you have got sulfides or bisulfides, then the general equation is sulfide or bisulfide reacts with acid to give you salt, water and sulfur dioxide. So once again we will take the example. Say for example, if you have got calcium sulfide, if it reacts with HCl, it will form a salt, calcium chloride, water H2O and sulfur dioxide SO2. Similarly with bisulfide also. And when metal sulfide reacts with acid, it forms salt and hydrogen sulfide. Say for example, zinc sulfide when reacts with HCl, it will form zinc chloride and H2S. Next thing that we need to know is the uses of some acids. Okay, you can go through this table. Boric acid is used as an antiseptic or IOS. Citric acid is used as food preservative or vitamin C. Oxalic acid as ink stain remover. Carbonic acid, it is used in flavored drinks. Tartaric acid, baking powder. Acetic acid, vinegar, and is used in cooking. Hydrochloric acid, cleaning of metal items. Benzoic acid, preservation of foods. Nitric acid, they are used in explosives. And phosphoric acid, they are used as fertilizers.